Ever wondered why cats have such diverse patterns and behaviors? From the regal Siamese with its striking blue eyes and cream-colored fur, to the playful calico flaunting a symphony of orange, black, and white patches, each cat is a unique masterpiece. Even their behaviors, like the Maine Coon's love for water or the Scottish Fold's penchant for sitting in odd positions, are as varied as their coats. But what accounts for this extraordinary diversity? The answer lies deep within their genes. Genetics is the fascinating science behind every cat's unique look and personality. It's like a secret code, a blueprint that determines everything about them. But don't worry, you don't need a PhD to understand this. Let's break it down. Imagine genes as tiny instruction manuals within each cell, guiding the development and functioning of the body. In cats, these genes control a myriad of traits, from the color of their fur to the shape of their ears. Yes, that's right. Even why some cats have tufty ears and others don't, it's all in the genes. Each kitten receives a mix of genes from both parents, creating a unique combination, much like a genetic jigsaw puzzle. This blending is why no two cats are exactly alike, even in the same litter. It's a game of genetic roulette, where different traits surface in delightful ways. Let's take fur color as an example. A cat's coat can be a single color, or it can have patterns. This is all down to genes. Some genes tell the fur to be black, others say orange, and some even dictate patterns like stripes or spots. And it doesn't stop at appearances. Genes also play a role in a cat's behavior, influencing their hunting instincts, how they interact with humans, and even their vocalizations. So, your cat's midnight serenades? Yep, you guessed it, it's genetics. From fur color to ear shape, it's all in the genes. Ever notice the striking patterns on a cat's fur? That's genetics at work. Cats' coats can tell us a lot about their genetic makeup. From the simple single-colored coats to the intricate patterns, each variation is a unique genetic signature. Let's start with the classic tabby, the cat with the M on its forehead. This pattern comes from a gene that causes the dark, swirling lines we associate with these charming felines. It's like a hidden message written in their DNA, a secret code that gives them their characteristic stripes. Calico cats, on the other hand, are a splash of science and art. Their distinctive patches of orange, black, and white are a result of a process called X inactivation. In each cell, one of the two X chromosomes is randomly inactivated, leading to these distinct patches of color. Lastly, let's talk about the Siamese cats. You've probably noticed their cream-colored coats with darker shades on their ears, faces, paws, and tails. This is due to a fascinating gene that is temperature sensitive. The cooler parts of their bodies, like the ears and tail, produce more pigmentation, creating the darker shades. So next time you see a cat, take a moment to admire its coat. Each strand of fur is a product of a complex interplay of genes. Each pattern is a beautiful testament to the complexity of cat genetics. The captivating colors of a cat's eyes are more than just mesmerizing to look at. Have you ever pondered the magic behind those stunning hues? It's all in the genes, my friends. Just like humans, cats inherit their eye color from their parents. The color spectrum ranges from deep green to vivid blue, and even golden yellow. The gene that determines eye color interacts with the melanin, a pigment produced in the iris. More melanin results in darker eyes like golden or copper, while less melanin gives us those enchanting blue or green eyes. Interestingly, all kittens are born with blue eyes. As they grow, the melanin production kicks in, and by the time they're around 2 months old, their true eye color begins to shine. And what about those captivating cats with 2 different eye colors? That's a result of a fascinating genetic phenomenon known as heterochromia. Each eye color is a window into the cat's genetic heritage. Notice the unique physical traits of cats? Yes, genetics play a role there too. Just as with humans, feline physical characteristics are highly influenced by their genetic blueprint. Let's delve into this fascinating world. Consider tail length. Some cats, like the Manx, are known for their almost non-existent tails, while others, such as the Maine Coon, sport lush, long tails. This trait is governed by genes, with certain gene combinations leading to shorter tails and others to longer ones. Then, there's the matter of ear shape. From the curled ears of the American curl to the pointed ones of the Siamese, the variety is astounding. Again, genes are at the helm, dictating whether a cat's ears will be upright, folded, or somewhere in between. Finally, let's touch upon an intriguing phenomenon: polydactylism. Ever seen a cat with more than the usual number of toes? This is due to a specific genetic mutation. Polydactyl cats, as they are called, can have anywhere from 6 to 8 toes on each foot, making them quite the conversation starters. So next time you marvel at a cat's long tail or get tickled by its extra toes, remember, it's all in the genes. Every physical detail of a cat is a genetic marvel. A cat's behavior is not just about personality. Genetics play a part too. Just like humans, cats inherit traits from their parents that go beyond their physical attributes. These inherited traits can significantly influence their behaviors, from their hunting instincts to their sociability. Let's consider hunting instincts. Cats are natural-born hunters, and this behavior is deeply embedded in their genetic makeup. Even the most pampered indoor kitty can't resist the urge to stalk a laser pointer or pounce on a piece of string. This hunting instinct is a survival trait passed down from their wild ancestors, hardwired into their genes. Now let's talk about sociability. You might have noticed that some cats are more sociable than others. While upbringing and environment play a part, genetics also have a role in shaping a cat's sociability. Certain breeds, such as the Maine Coon and the Siamese, are known for their friendly and social nature, suggesting a genetic predisposition toward sociability. But remember, while genetics can influence behavior, they're not the whole story. Cats, like us, can learn and adapt, and their experiences can shape their behaviors too. So, while your feline friend's genetic makeup might predispose them to certain behaviors, their environment and experiences will also play a significant role. Genes shape not only how cats look, but also how they behave. This complex interplay of genetics and environment makes each cat truly unique, a testament to the fascinating world of cat genetics. Genetics also play a critical role in a cat's health. Just like us humans, our feline friends can inherit certain genetic disorders from their parents. These can range from heart diseases like hypertrophic cardiomyopathy to specific breed-related issues such as hip dysplasia in Maine Coons. While these conditions can sound daunting, it's not all doom and gloom. Advances in genetic research mean we're now better equipped to understand, diagnose, and manage these health issues. There's also a growing trend of responsible breeders testing for these disorders, helping to reduce their prevalence in future generations. Furthermore, not all health-related genes are negative. Some genes can actually protect against diseases, making certain cats less likely to develop specific conditions. So genetics isn't just about the risks, it's also about resilience. In conclusion, the world of cat genetics is a complex one, but it's also deeply fascinating. Understanding genetics can help us ensure better health for our feline friends. And then there are those cats that just stand out with their rare and unusual traits. Have you ever come across a cat with two different colored eyes, also known as heterochromia? Or perhaps a cat with a curly coat, a trait known as rexing? These are just a few examples of the fascinating world of rare cat genetics. Dive deeper, and you'll discover cats with 6 toes, a condition called polydactylism. This trait, once considered a sign of good luck by sailors, is now just another quirk we adore in our feline friends. And let's not forget about the Manx cat, a breed known for its missing tail. This isn't a case of tail docking, but rather a naturally occurring genetic mutation that gives the Manx its distinctive look. Then there's the Scottish fold, a breed marked by its unique folded ears, a trait resulting from a single dominant gene mutation. These unique traits remind us of the endless possibilities of cat genetics. Understanding cat genetics truly deepens our appreciation of their beauty and complexity. Each feline friend is a work of art, a unique tapestry woven by the threads of life itself. And isn't that something truly fascinating? As we unravel the mysteries of their genes, we discover more reasons to love and cherish our feline companions. So, what unique genetic traits does your cat have? Share with us in the comments. Let's continue this captivating exploration of the cat world together.